Okay, so yeah, good evening, everybody, and yeah, welcome to today's class. So today's class is basically going to be about we're going to be having a Q&A session. That's what we're going to be doing today. So I'll be here to respond to any questions anyone wants us as regards the assignments, the projects, and everything. I'm going to be doing all that together today. So if you have any questions, even from the beginning of the class up till now, you want to ask me any question, you can raise your hand. As much as possible, I'm going to be responding to you. So let's start with that. So anybody with any questions? Like I said, the project, I want to see what you've done. I want to see how far you've gone. I want to see people showing me that, oh, I've been able to do this, and this, and this. And not you showing me AI generated response. Because you think I will not know? Like, shock you. I will just shock you and tell you it is AI. So, I don't want to see AI generated response. Even if there's going to be AI, but at least do your work. Then let me see. Okay, AI augmented this, AI augmented that, AI helped with this, AI helped with that. It's better than just using AI for the whole thing. Do you understand? So you don't give your brain to AI all the time. That will not make you better at what you actually. It's not going to achieve what exactly you want to achieve with having these classes. That part. So yes, I don't know. Any question? If you have any question, let's start the class now. Don't be shy to raise your hand. Oh. Okay, we have number one, Abdurrahim Aminat. Yes, you can raise your hand. Maybe you can ask a question. Abdurrahim Aminat, your hand is raised. You can ask a question. Hello,
Hello, I'm in Nat. Can anybody hear me? Maybe I'm done thinking. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Can hear you.
Okay, good evening. Glad to see that you can hear me. So,
to actually tell me she can hear me because she raised her hand, but she's not saying anything. Aminat, are you having network issues?
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening. How are you? Good evening. How are you? I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. I can hear you. Hmm. It's like our network is bad. Okay, Promise, Gladys. Anybody want to show me their project? Let me see what we've done.
Good evening, sir. I'm trying to log in with my system so I can share my work. So I'm working on it, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. That's perfect. Madam Gladys, how about you? Madam Sandra, Martha, Chukudi, my guy. Yes, Amina. Your hand is raised. You can speak. You have the floor.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Okay, first of all, I've done my projects, in fact, before the deadline, but the color mix, I'm having issue with it.
Okay.
And second of all, the class that we start recently, this fact table,
Yes.
flat table, dimension table, and all,
Yes.
I don't know. is capturing my brain. I don't know when we are to use this, and I don't know like, is it like one of the prerequisites we need to do before we now do the dashboard or what, like, I've
Yeah.
not watched the last class video finish, so probably that's why I'm still like a little bit confused about it. Then again, mhm, okay, I think that's all. Then I share my screen now. And sir, please, though, in case of any mistakes, please, I don't. But can I share? Permission to share?
You can share your screen.
I'm, I'm quite,
You're
like my
quite
eyes is itching me, but
don't
I'm
be
sure I'm
shy.
going to share
Share it.
somehow.
Share it. Don't let your eyes
Okay,
eat you.
sir. Can you see it, sir?
Not yet. I
Can
believe
you
it's
see it?
not yet. I believe it's coming.
Is my screen up now?
Not
It's
yet. I've
okay
not seen
today.
it. Probably it's on its way, but I've not seen it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's saying you're presenting, so it's wanting for you to
What
present.
about,
It's coming.
okay?
It's coming.
Forget the color mix.
I have not
Okay.
seen it yet.
Forget the color mix for now. I'm still
What's the color
till
mix?
now.
Which color mix do you want me to forget here now? Why did you stop
Let me
sharing?
let me share again. No, it was not coming up. Everybody's already making jest of me. Gosh,
They are
that
not making
was
just.
an
They are not.
inspiration yesterday that I was dealing with.
They are not making jest of you. Don't mind them. Their own is not fine like this. Don't mind any of them. Oh, yeah, share it.
Now, please
Don't mind them. Oh, share it.
forget the color mix. I've shared it. Is it up?
Yeah, you're presenting. Yes, yes, yes. It's clear now.
Ah,
Okay. Forget the color mix, as I said.
yes, don't mind them. We can hear you, and we
Okay,
can see
let me
your
try.
screen.
Let me try and justify. I've not written my inside though, because I realized everyone is adding insight to each pages and
Okay.
everything. That's like another question I want to ask, that is it a
Mm-hmm.
must for us to add our insight there? And because
Mm-hmm.
I believe the last time we spoke about the insights was just for when a layman carries our dashboard, the person
Mm-hmm.
could easily understand what's going on
Okay. So
with this
now,
color.
good, good. Okay, thank you very much.
So this is
Just yes, hold on,
okay.
hold on. Thank you very much. Amina, can you hear me loud and clear? Just to confirm.
Yes, sir.
Good. So
Yes, sir.
what I'm going to do, so I want everybody to learn from what I and Amina are going to do now. I've not seen a project, I don't know anything about it. So we are just so it's more like a mock. Think of it as a mock. So we are
Yeah.
the specimen at the moment. Now everybody, I am the what's it called? Let me go and open my documents now. I can't even remember the name of the documents now, but I know it's somewhere around um
It's
Banky Homes, right?
Banky L, yeah, Banky Homes.
Banky
Banky Homes.
Homes. Just
LWB Banky Homes.
yeah, just hold on. Hold on. The projects. Banky Home. Yes. I've seen it, I've opened it up. Okay, good. So now I have my BRD with me and I want to Amina, you have the floor. Tell me about what you have here. So let us all learn. Let's see.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. According to the PDF you shared with the data sets given,
Yes.
we are to.
Yes.
I noticed that there are some strategic questions we are to answer and provide solution with the data sets given to us, and I realized that all the sheets are connected. I don't know,
Yes.
like from my own perspective, Sha. So
Yeah,
I
that
did like an over.
Hello.
Are you with me, sir? I
Yes,
can hear you.
I can hear you. You did a what?
I did an overview based on what we call the strategic question given. The one that has to do with the property and market analysis. There was one that has to do with the agent people, and definitely the people coming to for the presentation, the executives, as you said, as Ms. Chamaka said, I don't have time for much things. So from my
yes.
own thinking,
Yes.
they are definitely interested in the money, which is the
Okay.
total revenue.
Okay.
Then they're interested in the, according to the data sets, we have rented and sold properties because it's
Okay.
based on real estate. So they're
Okay.
interested in the sold properties, they're interested in the rented
Hello. Hello. Is it me or she? A network. Oh,
it has to do with,
hello.
I'm with you, sir.
Is it my network? I lost you on rented properties.
I mean, I can hear us.
Yes, I can.
Okay, yeah, go on.
Okay. Different location while they are states, but for the location, it's quite like, it's like different this thing, just like Abuja, there's Maitama, there's Otsu, and for Port Harcourt, there's Warri and all. So for the location, it's quite different from Abuja and Port Harcourt. Then for the property category, there are different kind of property category. But from what's it called, as you said, we should try and understand what the data set is about. So I summarized them. I had to like do a little research because they are repeating some. I'm sorry, let me quickly show you property listing. So if you can see, there is penthouse, there is studio, there is terrace and everything. So I summarized it into four so as to not make the visuals too long and complicated. I guess I'll add that in my insights. So I made them house, duplex and terrace, apartment and luxury apartment. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. I'm enjoying your session.
Okay,
Go ahead.
okay. Okay, so as to like, what's it called? So as to make it more readable for our executives, then I did total revenue per month to know if we are lagging or we are leading. Then from there, I entered the property and market analysis. This is based on, what's it called? This is based on location, pricing, and property, I think location, pricing, and days each property used on market. So this is average price per square meter for land, not only for, I think, price, total property that is outside for selling and for rental. Then the unsold properties, so as to know, what's it called, so as to know the amount of money outside that they're looking forward to. And as we have it here, I already said I summarized the property category into four. Then for year, I did not use states based on this sheet or this dashboard has to do like a more breakdown compared to the executive overview. So I intentionally left all the, what's it called, town abi, will I say, areas. Like for Abuja now, the Asokoro is still showing there, the Maitama is still showing there, while for Lagos there's still Ikeyi, Ikoyi and Lekki. So as to see where the property is being, like where the attention, where they sell more, where they make their money more, to know where they're going to be building, and concentration of the customers. Then this is just a pie chart to show the sold properties versus the rented properties, then the revenue that I showed you earlier, which was 191.4 billion or so, together with the property category to know which one brings more money inside. Then based on the strategic question in the PDF, I realized there were some questions that had to do with the, what's it called, the marketing strategy or the marketing skill of their agents. So I had to do another dashboard that was showing the performance of each agent. So I could not summarize agents over here. So I had to put down the whole agents and everything. Then lest I forget, for each dashboard, there is a two, like there are two slicers up, so as to probably for their interest. And I'd be interested in Abuja, so they could easily pick Abuja They could easily pick, okay, for bungalows in Abuja, what are they going to do? So for this agent performance dashboard, I had to do what's it called, a card to show active agents, because I think there are like more than 20 agents here. So for them to know in case they want to reward the ones that bring more money to the company, and for their commission per agent, how much each agent gets probably at the end of the year. So these are the total revenue made by each agent. For the 191 billion, this is what each agent brings to the table. And this is how long, the average days means how long the agent is able to sell the bungalow. Was the agent able to sell it for 2 days or 3 days? And this is the total revenue per month. For each month, were they able to make probably like a certain, like more than a million, or they are lagging behind, to know how active they are. And this is it. So that's all I have for now. Then my column makes with some little balancing and all. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's get it started. Let's get this party started. First of all, Amina, I would okay, Oluchi, do you want to ask a question? Oluchi, you have raised your hand. Seems Oluchi wants to ask
Sister
a question.
Bankole, good evening, sir, everyone. I just joined now. It's today presentation, sir.
No, today is not presentation. She wanted to ask question, and I told her to even present everything. So that way,
Okay, but I have questions to ask, so later I'll present my own too.
exactly. So if you have question to ask before
Okay, thank
presentation day, no problem. When is presentation day? Let me even confirm.
May
Present
31st.
submission is May 31st. Presentation is June
Yes.
2nd and 4th. So normally today. Ah, I totally forgot. I didn't even know when presentation date is. But today, yes, I can see presentation date June 2nd and 4th, 2026. Wow. Okay, promise. Promise, you raised your hand. What do you want to say?
Yes, sir. I actually thought today was presentation. That's why I was also
Uh,
prepared to show my slide. Yes, sir.
okay.
Sir, no, cancel my own. I'm not presenting. No,
No,
this
don't
is not
worry.
my scorecard.
Don't worry. I would let's make today a mock presentation day. Are you following?
Oh,
So I'm going to review personally, all of you. Now, thank God I'm not doing anything at the moment. I know some of you might have something to do. Today's class might be long. So what I intend to do is this. I'm going to do like a mock presentation now. I'll be the one to review all of you. Number one. So on the presentation day, which let me say I will move it to next week before Kiamaka's class. But that day, I might not be the only one there. I might bring other professional people there. So make sure you ask all your questions as much as possible this night and on Thursday so that you don't schedule me on that day. Is that understood, everybody? Uh-huh.
yes, sir.
So any presentation you want to do now, today and Thursday, do it for me. We'll look at everything together, we'll review it. I will ask questions. For example, first of all, Amina, I don't know why you have 1 to 6 measure tables. I don't know why. We start from there. I'm guessing you and Cloud have played some game in that place, but no problem. But we'll continue
No,
our
no, no,
study.
no. I can explain that, sir.
Don't worry, leave that one first. That's the data mode. Okay, no, it's just measures that are inside of it.
Yeah, I was answering based on each strategic question.
No problem, but it can be confusing. You can just name everything, but no problem, leave that one aside. Now, I will start from the first question you asked me. You said, Mr. Bankole, we had some classes, we started data modeling class all this while, isn't it? But the data modeling class
Yes,
that we
sir.
started, Mr. Bankole, when do we use it? Or is it just that we're just doing that class for class sake? If you have any problem in this, your report, just know that it's because you did not do data modeling properly, first of all. Do you understand what I just said? So now the first thing that you must first do after you have cleaned your data properly, you must then model your data properly. because once you have modeled your data properly, it allows all your tables to interact with themselves. It allows you to write proper DAX. It allows you to do proper presentation, proper visualization, proper dashboard, because now everything is connecting with themselves. So normally, if I want to say, okay, I want to shoot you in the leg, I mean, now show me your data model view based on what I have taught you. Naturally, the data I sent to you, what is this one now? Make it bigger. Aha.
Oh,
Okay. Now
oh,
ignore all those measure table. You can see that there's a form of what's it called now? There's a form of interaction already, isn't it? Now I don't know whether
yes,
your
sir.
modeling is correct or not. I have not done this project. Like I told all of you, I myself have not touched it. Generated and sent to you, and I believe it should be nice. Now, for this to happen, that means there's a form of relationship already. There is a data model there. Now you can see the effect of that your measure table one, table two that you did up and down. You can see the effect. That way you
Yes,
have in all those places. So drag on those ones away. Now back to your report view. Let's start from the executive dashboard. Now, first of all, executive overview of what? Hmm? Executive overview of what?
okay.
Of what? Anybody can show me any executive overview. Okay, now second, when you're doing presentation, now everybody, let me tell you this thing. When you're doing presentation, you don't know the device anybody is viewing from. One, you don't know your, even if you are using a big screen, you need to make sure that your screen is everything is showing and no disturbance. So I mean now, whenever you're doing a presentation, close visualization, close data. On top of that place where there's data, there's this other carat up that is up. One goes up, that goes up like that. Click on that place, click on yes, perfect. Now you can see that your visualization is now the whole screen, isn't it? Perfect.
Yes,
Now
sir.
from here, I will now start the same way I'll do for all of you. I'll go bit by bit, level by level. Click on property type. You have a filter there. Abi,
Sir?
you have a filter on property type, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you click on it? Let us see what you have there. Now I want you to choose anyone you like. Good. So you have chosen anyone you like. So that means your profile, your filter is responding, right? Click out. I'll be
Yes, sir.
uncheck the one you checked. Or clear it go now. Go to months. Now, if you look at property type and if you look at months, what is the difference between two of them, or are they the same thing? Look at property
They are
type.
different.
I know they are different. No, they are the same. It's the same thing. They are both filters or slicers, isn't it? But look at
Yes,
property
sir.
type. Look at month. What do you notice?
Different case, letter case.
Thank you very much. That's one thing. Your case must balance across board. Oh yeah, click on the month. Let me see what you have before I know where to shoot you. Click on the month. Hello. Hmm. Can anybody hear me? Am I back?
Okay. Yes, yes, sir.
Oh yeah, click on the month. Let's see. You can
I
see.
have.
Now look at it. You have April, August, December, January. Is this how it's supposed to be? No. Why are you having it like this?
Okay.
Do you know why you're having it like this first before I talk? Hello? Is my network fluctuating this night again? It should not fluctuate though.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So why are you having April, May, April, August, December? Why are you having it like that? Do you know why? Hello? Hello, can anybody hear me?
Mm. Yes, we can.
Okay, I'm
Yes, but
asking.
your voice is lagging.
Okay, my voice is lagging. Okay. I mean, I'm asking you a question. I asked that. Do you know why you have April, August, December, February, January, July like that? Do you know why?
I did not format well in the slicer setting.
No, that's not why.
You did not sort with the month number.
Okay, that could be a reason. So when you have stuff like this is where and why it is important that you have your date table. Are you following me?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when you have date table, whenever you want to have any visual that will include dates, usually where you ever choose from is always going to be from the date table and not the month or anything that is inside the transaction data itself. I don't know if you understand what I just
Okay.
said. So when you have a date table that is properly done, right? Usually you would have arranged everything properly. You would have sorted with the month number and everything from your date table. Now you will have connected it in the report, in your dashboard, in your model. Your date table will have been connected back to your what's it called? It has been connected back to your transaction table, your fact table, such that anytime you filter your dates, your fact table is being filtered. So usually date table as well is a dimension table because each and every row is different. Then the dimension table now is going to be one connected to many in the fact table. Are you seeing where all the classes within all this is important now? The last, especially the last ones. You can see it came now for you in date table. Look at how that day, because that date now it has affected everything you have done. Oh, you just don't know yet. But hold that one. So now on month, you are changing the case, capital M, like that. Now your this thing is not properly arranged. So for us to do that, you go to your date table. Now go to your date table. Let's adjust it now once and for all. Now your date table, click on it. Oh, this is what you have. Hmm. Okay. I sent date table code to somebody recently. Who was that? Somebody entered my DM. I was talking about one of the guys. Oh my God, lot of people. I can't even remember. Just 1 minute. Chukudi,
Okay, sir.
perfect. It was you. Good. So let me just check it for you. Chukudi. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to send it to the WhatsApp group so everybody can use it. So the date, the one I'm going to send is all encompassing. It will make your life easier. So just keep it. Just keep it. Um, we are going to do some editing, right? So this one I'm sending now is if you want to do the date table based on the reports that you are having. Are you following? Based on what? Based on the reports that you are having. Now, some of us we usually do the date table from inside the what's it called? Inside Power Query editor itself. Are you with me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Good. But this other method that I sent to you now, you can use it from what? You can use it from inside your DAX, inside your main table inside DAX. So now if you can copy that, then I don't know where your this is connected to WhatsApp, copy it and paste it here, that update it. This one that you use here is not very good because there's no way you can actually arrange them properly. Are you following? So that's why it's like this. So if you can copy that stuff I sent to you on WhatsApp now and bring it here, it would it gives you a better date table. Is that understood?
Everything.
Yes, copy everything, but adjust. Look at it very well. You will notice that in the one that I sent to you, you have others, other dates, others delivery dates. You can adjust that. You adjust it to your own based on maybe I don't know what. So now everybody, whenever you're coming to talk to me, you let me know which one is the dimension table, which one is the fact table. Are you following? Yes, you have property viewing, property listing and transaction. There will be a fact table, there will be a dimension table there. That's what I have planned, right? So you will come and tell me. So, but this your date table is going to be on based on your fact table. Are you following? You can see. Do you have the code already, Amina? Can you bring it?
My WhatsApp is not connected to my system.
Oh, it's not con. Oh, okay. No, no.
So
Let me
can you
send
send
it.
it to my mail?
No, no. I'll send it to the chat. It's in the chat. Copy it from the chat. The chat.
My
Just
WhatsApp is not my system.
Amina, go to the chat on Google Meet. Copy it from there. Can she hear me? Can anybody hear me? Okay, good. So go to the chat. Amina, if you can hear us, go to the chat on your on this still on the computer that on this on your meet.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Amina.
Hello.
Amina, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Go to the chat. The chat of this of Meet. Google Meet chat is there. Where you are
Okay.
presenting from. So go to chat. No, no, that's not where it is. Towards the right.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, copy. Just right click and copy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, I like all. I like all then. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So copy it, go and paste it. You can create
A
a
new
new,
measure or correct this?
it's a table, create a new table. Then you paste it. Now you edit. So what you're editing now is your you can see here. I think can everybody see the code on the screen so that I can explain? Can everybody see the code on the screen? Good. So you can see var variable start date, variable end date. So this what I have done there in that code is that it gives you opportunity. You know that your date is always going to be increasing for continuity's sake. Do you understand? So for continuity's sake, if you
Yeah.
look for the minimum date that is in your what's it called? The minimum date that is in your report and the maximum date that is in your report. So it will not be using that to update. Do you understand? That is why you see variable start date is equal to minimum order date, min maximum delivery date. So you can now change everything. Just adjust that order delivery date, remove it, and put which date are you going to use now? I don't know, maybe something from transaction.
Transaction does not.
Mm.
I can close this to check now, sir.
Yes, check it now. Click on transaction. No, press enter. Press enter first. Okay, choose a new name. So this table, maybe one or something. Okay, it's the same thing.
Transaction has dates.
See transaction dates now. So use the transaction date. Good. So now yeah, enter your code now. Aha. So now, if everybody can see now, you can all see you have dates, you have year, you have month number, month name. You can see that this is a full date. Scroll, let us see the last part.
Yes.
Scroll. You can see
That's all.
that's all.
I see
You you will
weekend
not
also.
go, you will not click on now, scroll back to the beginning. Now on month name, hold on, don't rush, don't rush. Take it,
Mm-mm.
listen. Now I want all of you to learn this once and for all. First of all, if you look up, there's a place that says table tools. You will now see that at the end of that table, so you say mark as date table. Now I want you to click on mark as date table. So if anybody not pick anything from this class, pick about dates. Now that place, oh yeah, I like, check it, check it. Click that mark as date table. Choose your date column. Your date column is your date. Yes. Then save. Good. Perfect. Now once you have saved there, now go to your model. You go to your model.
I should go to my water.
Model view. Just hold on. Go to model view. Now drag this date table one up to where your models are. I thought it would have even connected. It did not connect. So drag it away. You're supposed to have connected from when we. So
But should
now,
I refresh?
no, don't know. You can refresh, but not an issue. So now you are going to connect your transaction date to this date that you have in date table. Since you have date table that is not you are not using again, you might want to remove that one. You understand? You might want to remove the other date table you are not using. But first of all, connect first before you rush. And I'm looking at this your report. This your what are they calling it? This your what's it called? This your model that you did before. I'm not sure it is correct though. But what me actually I want to pick
So
out is
I've not done modeling on this at all. I've not finished the
okay.
last class.
Oh yeah, drag your date to your transaction date. The date in transaction table.
How do I drag it?
Click and drag. Uh-huh. Drag it to date. Date.
Like this?
Date gongon. Date. Yes. Like that. Yeah. So you can see it has done many to one. Yes. So save it. Save it. Click on save. Perfect. Now go back to your now. Once you have done this, you have done the first step. But quickly go back to your date table. That is in your tabular view. The table view. Now, in this place now, I want you to click on month name. Click on month name. Yeah, click on it. That thing that is in that table, this column is not showing properly. So I want you to go that place you have data, that character that you choose to show that goes up. Click it. Not that one, not that one, not that one. The other one that is close to the end. Right. Not that one. Under share, you will see share. Can you see share in green? Share in
I
green.
can't see share.
Top right corner. Yes, that one.
This?
Yes, click it. Yes. I want this thing to drop. Good. Now, once you click on month name, you will see a place that says sort by column. Abi, can you see sort by
Yeah.
column? Click on that sort by
Yes,
column.
sir.
Once you click on sort by column, you will now see month number. So click on sort by column, you sort it by month number. Have you done that? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now you will see where it is. Now go back to your go back to your report now. Because we are going to scatter what you have done. Right click on executive overview. Right click on executive. No, not that one, the one down. The one down. And duplicate it. So now it's duplicated. Good. Now go to your month that you have. Or open data. Open data. Just open data. Now click on month. Go and click on the month filter, the month slicer. Click on the month slicer, the slicer. Click. You are not clicking. Click to activate it. Now you see it's from transaction. Now in that transaction, uncheck the month in transaction. Good. Now go to your date table 1 and choose month name. Perfect. Now check your month name in your report. Do you see it making sense now? Now click on January. Let's see. You see it's working now. Abi,
Yes,
have you learned
yes,
something,
sir.
everybody? Make sense, everybody? So this is so anything
Yes.
anything that has dates, hmm? Anything that has what? Dates. Always make sure you have a dedicated date table. You have a what? Dedicated date table. That makes life easy for you. You can see how it is easy for you now. So you just be connecting, all of them will
Yes.
be connected to that date table, everything. So usually, like I told you, you can have more than one fact table. Star is still star. Are you following? So you can have more than one fact table, they are connected to themselves. No issues about that. But your date table itself is not even fact table, it's a dimension table now. So it's still going to connect to your fact table. So now that's that one. Oh yeah, on check. Let's continue. It's only you now that we are doing now. You can see we are not done yet. Total revenue. I don't know why there is a dot under total revenue. Sold properties.
That was
I don't know what 6 is doing. Rented property. I don't know what 6 is doing. Average sales price is all a small letter. I don't know what is happening there. I'm not saying you should do it now. Are you noting it down?
no. I'm trying. It's because I did like measured for each question, so I have to like differentiate as I'm trying to interpret. So I'll do all those ones, sir.
No wahala. Now, what is the total revenue in Abuja? Don't move your mouse. Just tell me. What is the total revenue in Abuja?
It's not showing. The data level is not showing.
Good. Now, how many apartments did we sell?
714.
No, that's the sold properties. I said, how many apartments did we sell?
Not showing also, sir.
Good. Now you can see your dates: January, December, July. Does that make sense to you as an executive?
No.
Good. So what are you supposed to do? So
I'm
quickly click
supposed to
on,
use the same ones.
oh yeah, click on it. So click on total revenue, remove the month that is there. You can now go and pick. So instead of you picking this table 1, you might pick the normal month name or you pick the month number short, anyone you want. Pick. Good. Uncheck it and choose short month. Choose short month. It's the same thing. So you can now do that same thing you did for month name. You can do it for short month, but use month name at the moment so that we'll not waste our time. I still have a lot of things to tell you. Remove the short month. See. So now you notice that uncheck
So I can't really tell it.
uncheck month name and click month name again. Good. Now I don't know what the Y label or Y category, Y axis is all showing everywhere. I can see state, I can see property category, I can see total revenue. Remove it. Let it be plain. Everybody already know that when I say Abuja, Lagos, or Port Harcourt, that's at the state. I don't need to be saying it when I turn my head because they're wanting me to turn my head to see all those things. I don't want to turn my head to see it. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what is this white space that is under that I'm saying FKC CVS slash X Kinikon that is down? What do you want to put there?
Yeah, I was saying that I noticed that everybody is putting insights like a little write up to explain what the old dashboard is.
Okay,
So
so
I've
my
not
place
done
is
mine. So
not
I just created the page first now.
good. Okay, now we are done with page 1. Page 2. Now, page 2. The only issue I have with page 2 was that I don't know how much is apartment. I don't know Azokoro. Now you see that location. What will make life easy for you is also have a filter for location, a slicer for location up. So that way I know, okay, oh, for my properties in Abuja, do you understand? How did I go?
Yes.
For my properties in Lagos, how did I go? My properties in Port Harcourt, how did I go? So add a wait, I noted I've talked about data label, yes. I've talked yeah, sales. So you have to add a state filter. Are you following? Add a state filter to this or to everything. So because those are the three main states that are there: Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Lagos. Abi? So they know. They want to see
Yes, sir.
everything in Abuja in one view. They want to see everything in Lagos in one view. They want to see everything in Port Harcourt in one view. You understand? They can do that as well. Now, next thing is your numbers. 249.49K. Number one. 69.68M. Then I'm seeing 2K. And I know that it is actually not 2K. I know it is 1.5 that is there. So when it comes to something like this, that 2K is not showing something because you have used points in the remaining one. There's nothing stopping you from writing 2K is in thousand. It's not plenty. So you can write it in full the way you have 786 like this. Do you understand? That's definite. They know. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. Then your data label as well. Then I'm still finding my head for pricing category, location, concon. On that one, I don't need it. Next. Then your agents, yes. Your agent, I believe there's supposed to be a filter for active or non-active agents. You said you had 20 active agents, but there were more than 20, isn't it?
They're exactly 20.
Okay, there are exactly 20. So why are you not using 20
Yes.
active agents? It should be total agents.
No, the agents are more than 20. Oh. Sorry, the
Eh,
agents are more than
so if
20.
there are more than 20, I need to know how many of those, if they have total agents as 20, how many are active, how many are inactive? Number one. Number two is what is the total number of properties each agent sold is not here. I can only see the value they sold. That's number three. I can see 0.1, 0.0T, 0.1T. What does all those 1T and something T mean? What do they mean?
Sir, I'm lost.
Total revenue by agent name. Aisha Okafor, Aisha Okoronko, Blessing, Ibironke, and co. And I see
Yes, sir.
0.0T, 0.1T, 0.2T. What does that mean?
Okay. It's based on the revenue.
Good. Now look at that revenue that you are on now. Aisha Okafor. What is the total revenue that is there? Amina, read it to me.
1, 2, 3,
You
1,
can
2,
see.
3.
No, 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 no. The fact that you have to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What does that mean? Automatically what? Failure. So far you are making me. Dangote, I'm sitting down, stretching my leg. I'll not be doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Why? Are you disturbing my brain? My time is very expensive. What does that tell you, Amina? You did not do your data cleaning properly. If you have numbers like this, they have to show numerically, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I need the comma separator added automatically across board because this thing can be in naira or dollar. Add currency. I've taught you, I've showed all of you how to add currency. Add whether it's naira you want to use, whether it's dollar you want to use, anyone you want to use is your this thing. Add it. There's naira, there's dollar. Add it. That way I know that my revenue is actually 199 billion naira or 199 billion dollars. My total transaction, does that one is not numerical. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. So across like that. Also, I told you one chart is missing. If you have the total revenue that your agent actually brought in, how do I know the number of properties they sold? It's not here. Number three is I would prefer that there's a filter for agents such that in a view we can see everything all the agents did as once. Or if I have an agent in mind, are you following? I can say, okay, look for what this agent has done for me. Bring it out. No problem. I think I've been able to pick one or two things from a presentation and it always gets better, right? So first off, lastly, well done. You've done extremely well. You've done fantastically well, and I believe there's a lot of other total revenue by month. Please Change that date, I beg. What other thing? I wrote some things down. Total revenue very close. Yes, the total revenue in your agent name is also very, very close. Something is wrong somewhere in this place. I don't trust it. This is your total revenue. Aisha Okafor is too, because you can see they are using the wrong chart. And sometimes, like I told you, if you see that they are like this, the best thing sometimes to do is to use a table. Use a table. Their name and their value in front of them. Simple. Sometimes. When all these things are too close, when they are too close like this, it's not really telling me. I don't know how Aisha Okafor is different from Aisha Okonko or Blessing Ibironke. In fact, the 10 of them that I'm seeing, they are all the same thing. Do you understand? Who are my top agents? You can do top 10 agents, list 10 agents, or list 5, top 5, list 5. You do it like that. Are you with me? It makes your dashboarding
Yes, sir.
so much more nicer. Then I said, yes, number of properties sold. I've talked about it as well. Yes, so everything I've noted, I've talked about it in your own. Look into it, look in what there are a lot of other things you can perfect on. Thank you very much.
Sir,
Um
I reached out to you on this filter. My filter for top 10 agents and so is not working. So I don't know. You are saying that it has to do with modeling also.
oh yeah, click on total revenue by agent name. Yeah, show me the filter. Oh yeah, click on top five. You are doing the filter based on the agent's name, isn't it? Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Okay.
That measure that you're using, is it the one in Q2 or the one in Q6?
The total revenue is the one in Q2.
Oh yeah, let me see what you did. Click on agent name.
Yeah.
No, 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 not that one. Your agent name filter. Let me see what you did. Top five, yes. So what is wrong with it? Clear it.
I don't know.
Clear it. Did anything change? Nothing change. Now before you do anything,
Yes.
let us even see the actual the model the in your table measure this thing. Let us see what is there. Click on measure table. So you have your total revenue measure. So what is now wrong with it? So it's probably the modeling is probably now go back to your report. So there's a high chance that your people, the way you have the names of the people that have this agent's name is not properly connected to your transactions table. Their names are not connecting. Do you understand? So check your model very well.
Okay.
Good. So yeah, let's go to another person. Who is the next person that wants to
Okay.
go now?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. I'm sure there's clarity now.
Not,
There's
not fully.
Oluchi. Oh.
There's clarity, Abby. See all of them now. Yeah, let's go. Who wants to go next? Okay, Promise has raised her hand. Yeah, Promise, let's go. Over to you, Promise.
Service Oluchi, my battery is down. Please promise now, beg.
Oh yeah, Promise. Which one do we go? Should we go with Oluchi? Okay, I leave it. Anybody that shared
Okay.
their screen first. Oh yeah, let's do that one.
So don't worry, let her go since her battery is almost down. But I also have a presentation by 8 o'clock. So I still have time, sir. Thank
Oh
you.
yeah, no wahala. Let's go. We are waiting for Oluchi.
Oluchi, we are waiting for you to share your screen now. She did not connect her laptop before. Now she's connecting her laptop. Madam Gladys, what happened? I saw you sent a sad emoji. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good
Good
evening,
evening,
ma'am.
everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing, sir. I'm just pondering the week. Oh.
It's not it's very simple now.
Every day is simple but technical.
And that's it now. That's why they are paying you the money they will pay you now to be
Mhm.
technical.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's not for the weak.
Hey, almost see Oluchi. Oh. She's ready for LinkedIn.
Aluchi
See
don't
her.
punch. It don't pay the.
Please, can you see my screen?
I can see you. We
We
can
are
see your
seeing it.
screen. We can see your screen. Share your screen.
Uh,
Okay.
okay,
It's my
okay.
turn
So
to enter. Oh yeah, now let
now
me not.
stop laughing at me now.
Oh yeah, wait. Before you say anything, now do you have question you want to ask first before you do your presentation?
Yes, I have question.
Oh yeah, ask your
Yes, I have
question.
question. If I click on something like
Uh,
oh, it's not
Click out.
coming up again. No,
Okay. It has.
how was
Abi
that
the
funny?
shaker. Abi the shaker has worked.
It doesn't. It's not consistent. Like it's bringing out email something that I should put in my email.
Mm-hmm.
Then like I have to cancel that email option before I can able to press another thing. But I'm not seeing it again. What's happening?
Mr. Bankole is on the call with you.
Yeah, but that's what I actually want to show you first because I'm not ready for my presentation. But let me present, Sha.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
so this is
present, sir.
Oluchi's. So this is Oluchi's reports on banking real estate. So I have four sheets.
Close.
Wait,
This is
let
your
me remove this
data.
thing.
This is your data side. Your data side. Close it.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So this is the executive overview. I
Mm-hmm.
have I have four sheets for it. Executive overview, the
Yeah.
property analysis page, the customer and viewing insights, then the agent performance. So the executive overview is all about like it provides a high level overview of the company's real estate performance, highlighting the total revenue, which is 191 billion, the customer engagement, then the total properties listed, total transactions that was done, the conversion rates and total viewings. Like the executive overview is just showing like just shows the like it enables the stakeholder to quickly assess overall business performance and market activity. Then I use the year slicer for it because it's only 2 years, which is 2024 to 2025. So for everything that happened in 2024, this is the executive overview. Then for the 2025, this is the executive overview. Like
Okay.
it like at a glance, the stakeholders can see what the business like what happened in the business in each particular year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so for the property analysis,
Wait, wait.
the average listing price is um okay, this dashboard focuses on property inventory and pricing analysis, providing insights into property distribution, the market value, availability status, and regional performance. It helps to identify high performing property types, premium locations, and present trends within the real estate market. Which the like I use the list seven locations by average price because like the locations are many and locations many. So I filtered I used the list. I showed the list in my what's this what are they calling this thing again? Jesus is Lord. Okay, Lucy, calm down.
Exactly. I was about to tell you to
Okay, this
calm
is
down. You are rushing too much. Calm down.
yeah, let me calm down. Okay. The
Three deep
sold
breaths.
properties
No.
is
Three deep breaths. Yeah, that is a labored.
um
That is a labored breath. Who is between? Do a normal
I'm calm
breathing.
now.
Do a normal breathing and breathe
Um
out. You breathe in with your nose.
okay.
You breathe out with
Um
your mouth. Do it three times. Don't rush. You're not on time here. Yeah. Mhm.
eh, I'm calm now. So this is the average. The average listing price is
Mm.
104.36 million per property. Then the
Mhm.
highest property price was listed at 373 million. This is the property analysis now, like analyzing the property itself, the listed properties. Then
Okay.
the highest price per square meter is 897.72k. Why the sold properties is 471. Then the most expensive location is Asokoro, and that Asokoro is in where is my property listed?
Hmm.
Is in Abuja.
Good.
Ehe. Asokoro is in Abuja. Then property status by breakdown. The available property, okay, they sold 471. Then the available one, the one they did not sell is the one they rent is 5, market is 469. Then I'll see overview 2,200 and total properties that was listed. Yeah, this is the breakdown of the property status. And the one that brought in the state that sold the highest quantity of property is Abuja, by 35
Oluchi,
35%,
Oluchi,
54 billion. They brought in 54 billion. Then
Oluchi,
second, Port Harcourt, sir.
calm down,
Sir,
calm down,
Mr. Bankole.
calm down, calm
Okay,
down.
sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Oh yeah, continue.
okay. Property values by
Mm-hmm.
distribution. The property the property that has the highest value is studio, following terrace, then semi-detached.
Now, question. Okay, no,
Mm,
continue. Just keep going, keep moving.
okay, then the customer and viewing insights. The customer the okay this particular dashboard analyzes the customer engagement and viewing behavior by tracking property viewings, repeat clients, conversion rates, and customer preferences. It helps uncover demand patterns and evaluate how customer interest translates into successful property transactions. So the total viewings, like the listed property is 2,200, total viewings is 800. Then average viewings per property is 0.36. The conversion rate, the conversion rate is the total listings divided by the total viewings, which is 275%. Then the clients that
Mm.
repeated clients are 20. Then their rates, because like this repeated client, like this 20 clients are the client that bought from the company, from the company. Then property viewings
Hello?
Google Map for it.
Hmm.
Hello,
Okay,
sir. Can you still hear me?
that your map. That your map.
Yes, sir.
That your map. But continue.
Yes, sir.
That your map is not mapping, no. But
It's not
continue. It's
mapping.
not mapping properly.
Okay, sir.
What can you tell me from that map?
The states.
Oh yeah, I never give you any state in Benin or in Sapele or in Wari or in
I mean,
Onitsha.
I just okay.
But leave it. Don't worry. Leave it. I understand. It's good for the fancy. Leave it. Don't stop yet. To continue.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then the viewing trends over time. So
Mhm.
in the viewing trends, like February and September, customers did not view the products. The highest
Why?
viewing month was July with 81. Mr.
Why?
Bankole,
Why?
why they did not view?
Uh,
Yeah, because there was no much like the September
mm, why?
seasons. There was no much.
Do you know why?
No,
I don't know. Simple. Ah.
I don't know. I don't know.
Eh.
I don't know
Calm
why they
down.
not they not.
Just keep
Okay,
going.
sir.
That's what the data showed us. Is a simple answer too.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Then the
Now,
most
wait,
viewed
hold on,
properties
hold on.
actually terrace.
Okay, no, finish. Keep talking, keep talking,
Okay,
talking.
the most viewed property is terrace, like 103 times they viewed it. Then
Mm,
detached house 98 times,
mm-hmm.
semi-detached. Now just the most viewed is terrace. Then
Okay.
yeah, then over to the agent's performance.
Okay.
The agent performance summary. This dashboard evaluates agent productivity and contribution to business growth by measuring sales, revenue, deals closed, conversion performance, and regional effectiveness. It provides insights into top performing agents and overall sales team performance. So the total revenue realized by the agents is 191 billion. Then total agents, we have 20 agents in all. Then the deals they close is 471. Then the
Mm-hmm.
average revenue per agent, like the average revenue an agent brought in is 9.53 billion. Then the average commission they received per per each deal is 486 per 486.50 then revenue by top 10 agents. The best agent that brought in money is Peter Okonkwo. He brought
Mm-hmm.
in 15.3 billion. Then so followed by Sophia, 14.11 billion. Then
Okay.
agent performance by state. Abuja has 61. Abuja has 71 billion, which is 37%. So Abuja is topping in terms of agent performance by state, followed by Port Harcourt and 32 before Lagos. No, followed by Port Harcourt before Lagos. Port Harcourt is no followed by
Mm-hmm.
Abuja is 71, Lagos is
Mm.
32, then followed by Port Harcourt 60, which is 31%. So Abuja first, Lagos second, then Port Harcourt third in terms of agent performance.
Mm-hmm.
Agent performance. Then deals and so I picked the top 10 agents. Peter Okonkwo is still topping. He closed 33 deals. Then Tunde Adeleke closed 33 too with Peter. But Peter brought in more money than Tunde. Even as Tunde closed 33 deals with Peter. Tunde brought in 12.1 billion, but Peter brought in 15.3 billion. So it's not about closing deals, about the revenue brought in by them. So Peter is the um top agent, the top performing agent. So and the slicer, I used the the rent the rent and the sales slicer for the agent performance. Savankole, over to you.
You use the what now? The last thing you said, you use the what?
This is for the what's of this slides again.
Okay.
So I did not prepare for presentation. I just wanted to show you something. So I removed the headings, but this is the sold like what the I've forgotten the name of this, but the rent, this one is for rent, like rented apartments. As
Mm-hmm.
the one the close by, oh god, I beg. Let
Calm
me
down.
just
Calm down.
get.
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, clear the filter that you've done.
The cell
Yeah,
type.
first
So
clear the
the class
filter.
is cell
Clear
type.
clear the filter. Ah,
Okay,
uh-huh.
sir.
Good. Now go back to the beginning. Let's take it one after the other. Abby, the same way we did that me now.
Yes, sir.
Should I be nicer
Mm.
for you? Or I should be like I'm now?
Sir?
Should I
Yes, sir, but I should do like I'm now.
Don't be nice now. Eh? No.
oh yeah, let's go. I noticed something that you did not notice or nobody noticed. I will tell you now. Click on 2024.
2024.
What is the total revenue?
90 billion.
What is the total property listed?
Total property. The same 2,200.
What is the total transaction?
749.
Now click on 2025. What is the total transaction?
751.
What is the total property listed?
The same 2,200.
So where is the error? What is the issue there? Are you saying that in
Mm,
2024 and in 2025, in 2024 we have 2,200, in 2025 we have 2,200?
mm,
No, problem number one.
yeah.
Problem number two, what happened to conversion rate in 2025 and total viewing? Are you saying that they did not view at all in 2025? Are you saying that there's no conversion, we did not convert
Yes.
anything in 2020? Eh? Did you just say yes?
No, I just saw it. I'm seeing that blank, blank.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh. Should I continue? First of all, let me first say
Yes,
this.
sir.
Well done. You've done an amazing presentation. You need to calm down, talk normally, right? You've done an amazing presentation, but and your visuals are okay. But that you see,
Okay.
let me tell you something. Everybody now learn this thing. I think Chiamaka also told you when you're creating a dashboard. Don't make your dashboard to be too busy, especially with the background or the foreground, all this color, this thing. It can be so it can be so distracting. Are you following me? Now, you will
Yes, sir.
see each one will get to agent performance. That's why I've noted it. You see how your background affected what we are saying, but you did not know. But me, I'm going bit by bit. I'm going to tell you everything I need to tell you. Now you can see from your date slicer 2024-2025, you can see that it is affecting, it's not properly working. So you need to look into it. That's number one. Number two, transaction by status, perfectly okay, no issue. You see this revenue by location, this map I'm saying, my mind is not going with it. I know why you put it there to make it nicer and this thing, but they go, gel. Just you can leave it as any other thing except on this map. I'm not saying it's not good that you put it, but then it's not right now, it does not have any value on that screen where it is. Like, how do I know that there's nothing in Europe? Because
Yeah.
it's showing me Europe. But I know that your this thing is not in Europe. It's in Africa, yes, but it's not in Europe. I'm seeing Atlantic Ocean. You can see you need to now
Yeah.
scroll, which is issue for us. You are seeing why sometimes map is not. Don't put it. I don't see. No, put another chart that have that location revenue. Put it there. Are you following me? Now, monthly revenue
Okay, sir.
trend.
Yes, sir.
Me, I've always been telling all of you, I'm of the opinion that it's good you have your data label showing, because you see your own is even
Mm,
different from. Okay, monthly revenue trend. Now we can see the way the monthly revenue is going, but I don't know the value that we are seeing in all of these things. But I can see that okay, oh, in April and November we not
okay,
make
sir.
money. Number four, oh, click out to your 2025 so I can see everything in full. You have clicked 2024, 2024, 2025, and that is equity summary side. Good, perfect, it's okay now.
Mm,
Now, this revenue by property type, in Amina own, I think she should classify their own. In your own, okay, good. Now you can see that it's readable now.
sir?
You can see that that monthly trend is readable now.
Yes,
It's
sir.
perfect now. Now they can see, oh, this is how much we're actually
Yes,
making.
sir.
Before, we don't even know that it was billion. You can see now we know that it is billion. But let's go back to where I'm going to. Now, your revenue by property type. I don't
Okay,
know.
sir.
Is it what differentiate a terrace from a
Mm,
detached house from an apartment? Are you sure some of them are not the same thing with different names? Are you sure they are all different? Number one. Number two, if you look at it, 26 billion, 23 billion, 22 billion, 22 billion. Whereas I am very sure that it might not actually be 22 billion. It can be 21 point something or 22 point something. Do you understand? Are you telling me that the total amount of money we made from apartment is the same total amount of money we made from semi-detached? Are you following me? and all of you, you are not doing your data cleaning properly.
Yes.
Look at you too. Your total transaction amount is in without how much is that? 2244 kinikon. Why? It has to be in comma. Add your value, add your comma. That makes it more readable. The table you added is perfect. I love that table. But then Yaba, what is the value in front of Yaba? I don't know. I can't read it. What is total transaction? 61. Conversion rate. We are still going there because I can't believe 275%. Do you know what 275% means for conversion rate? Hello, can anybody hear me? Am I audible?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Well, I can hear you now.
It has brought the error now.
Yes.
Yeah, cancel it. I will tell you about that one later. Mhm.
Okay, sir.
Now, if I ask you that conversion rate you are seeing, there is an error in your calculation of conversion rate. Because do you know what 275% mean for conversion rate? Should I explain it to you?
Sir?
Hello? Should I explain what 275% mean? When you say conversion rate is
What?
275%, do you
Yes,
know
sir.
what it means? It means that if it is at 100%, it means that when I meet a customer, at 100%, if I meet a
Mm.
customer, that customer will buy that any house I show to the customer. That's at 100%. At 200%, it means that if I just put my hand like this, I just on my bed, I just roll and just say, I just meet Uzaifa, come and buy this house. Without even thinking he's buying the house. Is it possible? At
No.
275%, you are just speaking into the air. Mr. Bankole, come and buy this house. And I've bought the house. Is it possible? So you can never have 275% conversion rate. That is too high. It's not too high, is understatement. It is impossible. You can be
Okay, sir.
27.5. Okay. But for a real estate, that means everybody can buy real estate, everybody is buying real estate. So look into your calculation properly. Are you following me?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And what does viewing mean? What is the effect of viewing?
Effect of
What does
viewings.
viewing? Yes, viewings.
The viewing is like is the total client that viewed each property. Just viewings can be like they just see the property. They may not give a feedback whether they want to buy or they don't want to buy. Viewing is just like um as in seeing the,
Okay.
the property.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, let's go to property
Mm.
analysis. Your color is confusing me. Color. Cancel, but let's move. Now, if you look at this property viewing in this one now,
Yes, sir.
if you look at property values distribution now, if you look at it down, you notice that it is much more easier now. For example, you can see studio is now 19.8, terrace is now 19.6, whereas it will have showed 20 before. I mean 20 earlier, isn't it? You can see the effect of
Yes, sir.
adding decimal place, everybody.
Yes.
Now, 10.43, highest price too. If you want 3.373, it's not 373. Maintain, if you want to maintain two decimal place, maintain your two decimal place across board. If you want to maintain one decimal place, maintain one decimal place across board. If you want to maintain zero decimal place, maintain zero decimal place across board, but it is not what? It is not advisable. Are you following me? Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just hold on.
Okay, sir.
Seven list seven. What about the highest seven? Why are you showing me list seven? Should I be
The
happy?
the the highest seven are almost the same, like they are just like the same thing. They're just doing
So
the
as
same
your
the same
so
thing.
as the manager now, you want me to see the sad part without seeing the good
No,
part.
they'll now focus. They will focus more on the list.
You
Then
want them to
what they will now know
focus
what
on
is
the
not working.
list. Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
See somebody, you want them to
So
be
they don't
sad
know what
first. Instead of you to first
no.
garnish them first.
Okay, so I'll do top seven
You are
first.
supposed to first garnish me to show me the top 5 or top 7 or top 10 first. And let me
Okay,
know.
sir.
But I need to know it by
All right.
state as well. How do I know which state is all these ones are in now? This value, total value, property value by state, it is not showing me properly. Because number one, all the color are the same thing. That all of that blue is the same thing. Number two, the pie chart, all of them
This
are very
one.
close. Not that one. Property value by state. Why the value by state? All of them are close to each other. You can see them. They are close to each other. So give different color that is out of the this thing. And look at the 31%, 35%, 34%. It's also very close. Leaving it as a table is sometimes better, or even any other thing. But leaving it like this too is okay, but change the coloring. Are you following me? But
Okay.
that background, this thing. Okay, no problem, sha. But that background,
Yes.
please, is it me? Either you leave that background with that blue and change everything that is on top
So
of
like,
it away from blue. You
so
cannot
I didn't get that, sir.
that background, those houses behind that is blue is affecting the main. I
Mm,
don't know. I don't know if anybody is getting me. But that your background, the picture or anything you added at that bar is affecting what I am seeing. I am seeing the houses, yes. But it's affecting, okay, no problem. Just know that your property detail table, that detail, I can't see clearly.
the
Just know.
property
The
details
property
table.
details
Okay,
table.
I should change.
You might
Okay,
want to change
I
something
will
there.
change the background.
One, hold on. Number two, total listed value. Can you see the same issue there? I don't know why one five
Yeah,
three
I will
three
change.
kiniko is too much. Make it readable. Number four, why am I
Work
saying
on it, sir.
why am I saying apartment? What are you trying to say in that place? Why can't you have a filter for apartment, a filter for this for that? But no issue, no qualms. It means now as your manager, I need to be scrolling down. Why?
Okay.
You can see the problem.
Mm,
Next table.
yes, sir.
Okay, cancel it for now.
Yeah,
There's map.
I'll cancel it 3 times before it will go
There
out.
is map now. So remove map again. Mm,
Okay, sir.
mhm. Now total viewing. This your conversion rate. That rate is too. You see repeat client rate 100%. It means that I'm so rich that e sure for me die. If I tell Abdullahi buy this house, you will come back and buy that another house again 100%. How? Out of 800 clients or be viewings, you have only 20 repeat clients and you are telling me that your repeat client rate is still 100%. How? How did you do it?
Magic.
If real estate people see this thing, they will come and ask you for the baba that help you to cook it. Dem you take them to the shrine where you are cooking, where they can see repeat client 100%. Ah,
Mm,
I must register your company where you. So there's an issue there. Work on it. Same thing with your conversion rate. Work on it. Yes, your viewing trend time is okay.
Uh,
Perfect. It's
I
okay.
see.
You can see your client engagement table now. You can see because of the contrasting, I can see it clearly, isn't it? It's much better. But your most viewed
Yeah.
properties after bungalow, I can't see anything again because the background you added is not letting me see anything again. I know what is there, but I
Okay,
can't
sir.
see it. It's because of still your background. Now, I noted something. I've talked about total property listed. You have issue with that, work on it. Conversion rate, repeat client rate, I've talked about it. Now, I was asking you earlier, why is the viewing trend over time? Why does it depreciate? I need everybody to remember something. That data analytics is not only about descriptive. You have descriptive, you have what again? Predictive, you have which one again? Descriptive, predictive, Which other type of
Prescriptive, executive,
prescriptive?
and
Which one again? You need to make sure that it is showing up in everything you are saying and you are doing. That's why when I say, why is February and September low? Just find something to say that will cook it up that will make sense at this stage, because you know it is not if it's a real life scenario. If it's a real life scenario, you must know why, what is happening in that 50, oh, why it is 50 and 55 in that place. Are you following me? You must know why. But
yes,
if you
sir.
now correct something, look at the first one, 75. Look at the second one, 50. Look at the third one,
50,
72, then 66.
72.
Is it supposed to be that low? Everybody take that home as an assignment. 75 to 50 to 72. That low is too low. It is showing it too, it's showing as if there's danger, there's problem there. But in real sense, I don't think 50 is a problem. And that is because when you are doing your line chart, when you did it automatically, it is picking, I think it is picking the list to be the list on the y-axis. It did not start from your y-axis did not start from 0. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. If you click on it, click on the chart. Your y-axis did not start from 0. It did not start from 0, 0. I think it started from 0, 50. That is how 50 and 55 is that down. Do you understand? All of them are close to themselves.
Yes,
They are
sir.
supposed to be like a umbrella kind of thing, not too much depth like this. Because this too much depth is showing something is wrong. Now that's one part. Other part is okay. Now we have the 50 and 55. What should we do? We need to increase maybe our advertisement or something in that regard, isn't it? Good. So that's that one. Yeah, your pie chart color. I think I was telling you about the pie chart color. This one is still better. Yeah, the other one was worse, but at least make one of them much more radiant than the remaining one. Then top revenue by agent. No, agent performance. Yes. Open your agent performance. I'm talking about your background. There, your background is confusing in one way or the other. Now, agent performance. Agent performance. The next table.
Okay, agent performance.
You see this one now. The same blue issue. The blue is fine, but the background is confusing everybody that we are saying it. Number one. Number two is that your pie chart 61 billion, 62 billion, point something something should be there. Your agent revenue, okay, all of them is okay, yes, it's okay. Now this leaderboard is confusing too. If you want a leaderboard, you are now arranging leaderboard by agent name. Why? You need to let us know what you are using the leaderboard to do. Are you doing leaderboard by sold properties or by total commission or by total revenue? That's number two. But if you look at all of them now, all of them is in 5611 Kiniko is too long. So please work on that. And everybody, I want to see currency. I don't want to see anything again. I mean, not now. When I presented that day, I want to see currency. Either you're using $1,000,000 or dollars or naira. Use one. But when I'm seeing that I'm just saying I'm not saying commenting. I'll be angry. Don't let me be angry. Total revenue, 2 decimal place, please. I don't want to say this is compulsory, but that is how it
Okay,
should be. Let your revenue be in 2 decimal place after. Do you understand? Oluchi, Oluchi has calmed down. Hello? Hey, can anybody hear me?
I can hear you now, sir.
Okay, good. So Oluchi, do you understand everything I have said?
Yes, sir.
Good. So do you have any other
Thank you so
question
much,
you want
sir.
to ask me? You are welcome so much.
Mm-mm. No,
Uh,
sir. I
good.
will do the corrections. Then you tell me how to remove the this thing that normally comes up.
I'll tell you that one later. Let me see your data model.
The your email address.
Let me see your data model.
Hey, hey. Okay, so my data model, sha.
Let me see your data model. Don't worry. I will catch all of you. You don't know anything. Aha!
It's because I have several
Aha!
dimension tables. but it's all working.
I know because what is this?
It's
No,
not. It's not. I saw the shorter way of doing it. Like I just did each person DM for like I could have just like merged everything together, but I just did safe. That's why it's this much.
this was where I
But it's
wanted
all
to start.
connected to the.
This was where I wanted to start from, because I saw your tables in the beginning. I was saying dim. I say
Eh,
in just
I
four
don't know that
tables.
it's a short.
Hmm, this is number one. This is too much. This will make your Power BI
Yeah, I
slow.
know now.
This will make you. It will give you
Yeah.
headache because if there's issue somewhere, tracing it now. And I don't even know where else to go. I don't know where else, I don't even know why you did it like this. I can't say whether you have furnishing and furniture ID separate. Property status and status ID separate. Is it wait. Honest question. ChatGPT or cloud? Which one?
No, me oh.
You yourself, you went through all this
Yes,
rigorous
so
headache alone. Ah,
honestly,
you,
alone.
you need to go and beg your village people. You tell them that
Alone.
no, your village people sat down with you to make sure you do all this stress. Hey, God of mercy.
I it just
Eh?
it's the last class I know that you can just combine everything in one like I'll just separating it one and adding their index one pay like
Do
anyone that doesn't have any calculation in
do
each
the
table I'll just bring it out.
do the
So I don't know
needful.
that I can combine everything together and just add index and add index ID for all of them to go after the last class. That's why I know I can do that. I don't even want to share my model because I know it's too much.
I will ask now. You think I will not ask?
Mm.
Ha 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 ha.
Now
Just
now I
just
know better.
good. Now do the needful. Go back to the beginning. Thank you very much, Oluchi. Your backgrounds are conflicting. The presentation is nice, but background you can make it plain, sweet. Make it plain. There's nothing bad in making it plain. Trust me, plain. I put a white, a blue. Just make it plain. Don't let your report because we are interested in the reports, not really the background. You get. I don't even understand what I just said. We're interested in what? In the report, not in the background. Yeah, I know the background is about real estate, clinical, yes, but let us see it in the report. Good. Oh yeah, next person.
Okay, sir.
Is Madam Promise still with us? She has left
Okay,
us.
sir.
You're
So I'm
welcome.
still here. I have less than 10 minutes. I hope I'll be able to do
Yes.
um
Share your screen. Madam Gladys, you
yes.
wanted to ask a
Yeah.
question. So ask your question while Promise is sharing her screen.
Please, sir, the email stuff that Oluchi said that is popping up, please just throw light here in the meeting because my own, it always occur when maybe I want to share.
Okay.
It will tell me to register with my school or company's email.
Yes.
And by so doing, it restricts. I can't even share it now. That's one problem. I can't share it with link.
Okay. No problem. We'll talk about that.
Thank you,
Um,
sir.
promise. Promise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good
What?
evening, sir, again.
Good evening. We are listening. Good evening. Keep talking.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much. This is an executive overview of banking homes.
Mm-hmm.
I have my real estate home for 190.7 billion. Then we
Okay.
have the average sale here also. Then the
Okay.
total viewing is also showing. In our previous class, we were told so many visuals that we should try and separate them. So I have type, then the agent name and transaction date.
Okay. Hello. Madam Promise, we can't hear you. Hello. Can anybody hear me?
So from this, it was a 900. Oh my word! Okay, my other system just went, I don't know, connection.
Okay.
Slicer, just to show that is active or rather working. So
Okay,
I'm
sure.
on the, why is it not?
It's not working.
Is I think his network is still booting.
Okay.
What's going on?
Abido Shaker.
Hi, village people, not today.
Hmm.
So I don't know what's going on. Can I reshare?
Yes.
I'm having two cursors on the screen, sir.
Two cursor on the screen. Ah,
Yes, sir. Let me reshare my screen.
okay.
Sorry about that, sir.
No problem. No problem. We are here for you. I think I enjoyed this session, sir.
So I'm sharing my screen again. Sorry, everyone. Network
Okay.
can be so funny.
Yes, I know. Okay.
So I don't know. I'm still having two cursors on the screen, and I don't know why it's not responding.
Click. Click first.
I did. I just did.
Ah.
Then I'm trying to also check this place. It's
Your
not
power,
nothing is responding.
your power. I can. We can't see because you're not sharing your full screen, so we don't know what's going on. You're only sharing your Power BI screen, and you're
Oh,
supposed
okay.
to see
Should
your
I
full.
share the full screen?
Yeah,
Let me
share your
share the
full
full
screen.
screen.
Let's see.
Yes, sir. My system is freezing. Entire screen.
Hmm. There's something there.
Done,
Click.
sir.
That's it. There's something. It's showing now,
Okay.
Abby. Click. Click
Yes,
on it.
sir. So wait. Yeah, I just did.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then for the property types,
Hmm.
I might not be able to talk much, but I just want to show you what I've done so far, sir. So
Yes,
we
I
have the
can see it.
executive summary here. We
Okay.
have the property performance here. So I did for sales by property type. So if you put your cursor here, you see that the terrace apartment.
I don't want to be putting my cursor there. I don't want to be putting my cursor there. I don't
Okay,
want to be
no, the
putting my
figures
cursor
are
there.
beside it, sir.
Moreover, there's
Yes,
too much
sir.
of space before the sales by property type. You can stretch it now so that I can reach that place. Terrace, detached what? Semi the what?
Oh, okay,
There's
sir.
space to the left now, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Let me do that. Yes, sir.
Click and drag. Is it not better?
Yes, sir.
Average sales
Thank you,
property.
sir.
Average sales property. I need to be turning my head. As the CEO of BankyHomes, with my billions and trillions of dollars that I've invested, I need to be turning my head
Yes,
to
sir.
read it.
So
Abi
sorry
now,
about that. I felt I shouldn't use the same visuals for the three. I don't know. I'm so sorry.
they can use a table.
Okay. Okay, sir. Noted.
The two charts, sales by property type, average sales by can both of them can be in one table.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir.
Location
Okay.
by
The two.
sales by location. Which one is in Lagos? Which one is in Port Harcourt? Which one is in Abuja? You cannot respond. Don't disturb yourself
Okay,
because
sir.
there is no filter.
I get the point, sir.
Your point is you are giving us
So
insights, but you're not letting us filter through pages or through the reports to get deeper
okay.
insights.
Okay, sir. Noted.
What is
I'll
the
work on it,
total?
sir.
You said property performance. What is the total property sold? What is the revenue generated? What is the profit? What is the how many property was sold? What is the average property
Yes, sir.
sold? All the
Okay, sir.
KPIs. No KPI.
Should be. So actually, it was a novel. I rather a mistake because I just assumed like for the executive summary, once I have
Mm-hmm.
all those sliders, KPIs, and everything
Mm-hmm.
in card visuals and coda,
Even in your executive summary, the KPI, I didn't even really, I don't want to talk about that because I don't want to enter you in that executive summary. So don't go back to it. Now in this one, no KPI. Put KPI for me. And this your insight. Insight is okay. Oh. I don't say it's not okay. It's very fine. But your report is too small. I cannot have three. property, the major things I'm selling. Only three visuals to show for it. Okay. Next, you say you are going somewhere. That's why I need to be fast with you. Hello, can anybody hear me? Okay. That means it's a network. Hello? Madam Promise.
We can hear you.
So it's Promise's network. Yeah,
Yes, I think so.
we love that. Okay, we are waiting for Promise to come back in. Judith, Emmanuel, Sandra, Emmanuel, Mr. Emmanuel, I will call you to respond. Mr. Emmanuel,
Yeah.
are you seeing what you are seeing?
Good evening, sir.
Good. Are you seeing what you are seeing, Mr. Emmanuel?
I'm doing a lot. It's
You
not
are seeing a
easy.
lot. Good. So you should know what you have not done. Go and do what you. I don't want to talk too much. What you have not done, go and work on it now and do it properly. Thank you, Mr. Emmanuel. Okay. We're waiting for Promise. So okay. I think Promise is having network issues. Do we have any other person who wants to show something? Madam Gladys, where is your own? Judith, Martha, Madam Sandra.
Hello. Can anybody
You're
hear
loud
me?
and clear, sir.
Okay, can you hear me loud and clear? Okay, so nothing is wrong with my network.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me message her.
So please, I want to ask that is it compulsory for us to add insights to all our dashboards? I notice everyone is adding to it.
Hold on, I'm coming. Yeah,
Ask me.
I said, is it a must for you to add insight to all your dashboards? I noticed everyone is adding to theirs.
Is it? It's not compulsory, but it makes it readable. Like everybody can see. And but there's no need to take the whole
Okay.
page as well. It doesn't need to stop your visuals and everything.
Okay.
But your insights can also be a write-up that you add additionally to your wherever you're posting it or wherever you're reviewing it. Do you understand? But some people like it to be on
Okay.
the some people put it on the what's it called? Put it on their visual. It's okay. But sometimes it might take space away from every other thing you want to show. So just that one, sha.
Okay, sir.
yes. Promise. I don't think Promise is joining us. So. Martha.
I don't see. I promise it's on another presentation. Yeah, I'm still at work. I'm on the road.
Okay, promise another presentation, Abi.
Yes, please.
No problem then. We can talk. We'll just continue the class next class. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. It's good to be here with everyone, and I really appreciate. I believe we all understood, we all have clarity, and we all enjoyed the class today. Thank you for staying with me from the beginning to the end. So on Thursday, we are going to do the same thing. You want to present yourself, properly prepare, and let's get something to be presented. Yes, Madam Gladys.
Okay, sir. Good evening once again. Is this the are we using is it this one we are going to use to do the presentation?
Which one has that? What do you mean? Which one?
Like the our power BI we are doing now. This is our presentation we are doing.
Yes, no. The PowerPoint
The
presentation.
PowerPoint you asked us for. What are we using that for?
You can use that as well. It's up to you. But me, you know
Okay,
that you are
no
still going to
problem.
submit. You are showing me your Power BI because you're in a Power BI class. Are you following me? All of you are still
Yes.
going to submit
Okay.
everything to me. You write up everything in depth. Do you understand? I'm trying to make sure everybody have a portfolio at the end of the day, like I told you.
Yes. So
So that's it. Don't worry.
very important. All right, sir. I'll do my presentation on Thursday.
No problem. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. And do have a wonderful evening. Bye bye for now.